Hey folks, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property. Today I'm over at Heritage Landing Golf and Country Club here in Punta Gorda, Florida. And this here is lot 394. It is a Victoria floor plan, part of the executive line of homes that you're going to find here. Built by Lennar. This is a 2+ den home, 1,850 square foot with a side load garage. Obviously this home is not yet complete. You're probably looking at another 6 or 7 months. However, it is available now and you can lock in today's pricing. Some great deals going on here at Heritage Landing. Let's run straight to the back here of the home though, so you can see the viewpoint. So you've got an attractive lake view back here, and then directly across, those are the veranda condos that you see there. And this home here is not part of the golf package, so you don't have any annual dues to pay or anything like that. You do have access to all of the amenities here at Heritage Landing. All right, so if you're interested in this home, give us a call. You can reach us at all of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto Lee, and we'll see you soon.